A pop-up drink stand should pay closest attention to feedback about wait times, drink consistency, and how friendly the staff seemed, because those three things decide whether someone comes back or tells a friend to avoid you. Here's the part most stand owners never think about. People rarely complain directly about taste, but they will complain indirectly by saying the drink felt different from last time, and that inconsistency is actually the #1 silent killer of repeat customers. Think of it like this. If a kid orders the same lemonade twice and it tastes sweeter the second time, they do not think the recipe changed, they just quietly decide the stand is not reliable. So instead of only asking, was it good? Start asking, did it taste the same as your last visit? Also, pay attention to comments about line speed compared to line length, because customers judge fairness more than actual speed, so 2 people served in order feels faster than 1 person served out of order, even if the timing is identical. Keep a small notebook or a simple notes app and jot down any repeated phrase you hear more than twice in a single day, because repeated phrases are basically customers doing your market research for free. One common mistake is only listening to compliments and ignoring the quiet, polite customers who just do not come back. So make it a habit to ask at least one new customer each day what almost stopped them from ordering. Another big one is treating negative feedback about price as final, when really it is often about perceived value, so instead of lowering prices, try clearly showing what makes the drink special, like fresh fruit or a unique blend. Lastly, watch out for feedback about smell and cleanliness around the stand, because people judge food safety with their nose before they even taste anything, so keep ice bins covered and trash emptied often. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.